It's a magnificent day here today in Melbourne, very sunny, hardly a breath of wind. So I thought I'd take the mighty Tello out for a flight in the great outdoors. Went up to Sugarloaf Reservoir, just sort of wandered up to the picnic shelter here. This is where I made my first rookie mistake. Mistake I've seen even the experienced drone flyers make. Forgot to turn on the recording. Didn't even change it to video mode, so the video's only in 4:3 ratio, I think it is. Fortunately, I had the screen recorder going, so I was able to capture all the flight. So hopefully this will be okay. They're just sort of flying around here, not doing anything in particular. Just getting used to handling the Tello. Nice open area there anyway, not much to hit. Yeah, so just sort of flying around. Just thought I'd follow the path a bit here. As I said, not really going anywhere in particular, just flying all around the place. Not getting too far away from where I was because the Wi-Fi on these things is a bit dodgy. Thought I'd try something tricky here and fly through the picnic shelter. Managed to get through it without hitting anything. Still just flying around. Battery's starting to get a bit low here, so I thought I'd just a bit of time to end it. This is when something very strange happened. Very strange indeed. The Tello took off as a Tello, then there was a crash of thunder, huge flash of light. And now I have a Mavic Pro Platinum. Someone up there must have been listening to me.